Hi, I'm Justin Puchar. I'm going to show you how I comp out a townhome. So come along for the ride. All right, so I am going to just open up a browser so you can see everything I'm doing. And the first thing I always do is I go to the MLS because I want to see that's going to probably have the most accurate information. If it's not there, then I would go to the county assessor. Okay, so I know the address. Let's just see. I really haven't looked at this before, but I could just do an address search here. It's 3116. Hi, it's not on there. Okay, so I'm going to do a full search. I'll do residential full. I'm going to clear the data so there's nothing in there. I'll go to the house number, 3116, under 39 matches. Hi. Okay, so let's see if this is it. That's it, 3116 High Danish Circle. So it sold for 364 January 1st, 2020. So that's about 17 months old. Something like that. Okay, 2305, 3-bedroom, 4-bath. The seller did say they're using the basement as a bedroom, so I don't know. We'll consider the 3 to 4 bed option. And then let's just look at the pictures just so we have a general idea of condition. We want to know what the subject looks like so we can compare it when we're establishing value. So it's got some hardwood. I'm just taking through you some things that I see. I've never been in this property, but I've been in one similar to it. It's got kind of the catwalk, the bedroom's upstairs. It's got a fireplace. Those are shutters. That's a good feature. It's got a knotty alder, some upgraded handles, granite, nice appliances. Bedroom. Looks like a basement, bathroom, laundry room. It's got the deck, so it's not too bad. It's actually great. Okay, we'll close that out. And so there's a couple things you can do when you're searching. This is a true townhouse style. Okay, built in 86, small yard. HOA fee is $350. Okay, so I'm going to open up a new window, and I like to open a new window so I can keep this there because I'm going to refer back to it. So I'll just click New Tab, and I'm going to do the search. I'm going to clear the data, right? So I don't get anything lost here. Actually, I forgot to copy it. I can either copy the address or I can copy the MLS number. I'll do the address, and I'm going to go to View Map. I will do a radius tool search, and I like to do 1 mile radius. Type in the address. I could do the city or the zip, whatever. If it doesn't find it, I'll set the criteria. It'll draw a circle around the subject property. Okay, and I'm going to hide the map. I'm going to change my status to active backup under contract and sold. I'm going to go back 180 days. By default, it's, here it's 365, but I like about 6 months. We've got a quickly moving market. So something too far back is not going to work. Sometimes it doesn't always work. It's brought up 34,000 matches. We know that's not correct. I'm going to select all. I'm going to get off these ones. No, it's not working. Okay, so I'm going to clear the data, and I'm going to do it again. Do the radius. Do 1. I've already got it copied. Okay. Hide the data. Active backup under contract sold. Give me 225. I'm going to go back 180 days. 95. Now, I can either look at these, but I'm probably going to just change it to townhouse, twin, condo. We've got 8. So it's kind of narrow. So I can either look at these this way in the brief viewpoint, or I can open up and look at them from a full description standpoint. But I remember it's about, I can refer back, right? It's 2305 feet, 3-bedroom, 4-bath. So let's look at the comps. And obviously I like some that's sold on the same street. Look at this, High Danish Road on the same street. So this is probably going to be the #1 comparable. It is similar in size. They're counting that basement as a bedroom. It could be a family room, right? and it was listed just a couple of weeks ago. It was only on the market for 7 days. So let's look at the pictures. Similar style, right? Cabinets, just different preference. It's got some nice ceiling work there. Doesn't have the hardwood. Somebody might prefer the hardwood. Some interesting furniture. Looks like they've kind of upgraded the deck. That looks pretty nice. So it's just preference, right? You can see a little bit of wear and tear on the cabinets. That sounds pretty cool. So I'd say they're pretty similar in style. It's just going to kind of come down to stylistic approach and preference. So I actually like that as a comp. What this tells me is it was only 7 days on the market before it went under contract. I'm going to guess it probably went close to that 535 or maybe even a little bit higher. Sometimes you'll see in the remarks it said multiple offers or whatever else. Doesn't really say that. It says listing agent is related to the seller. That's a big comp. That's good. Nothing else on the same street. What else is close by? Look at this one. This is active. 2 days on the market for 570. And it's pretty close, just up the road. Similar HOA fees, similar size, style, year, everything. So I actually like this as well. Similar condition-wise. Everything's pretty dang similar. It's got a master tub. Maybe that's a bigger difference. This is pretty close to the subject, and that's at 570. So it's active. It's not sold. We're 2-3 days on the market now. That's a good comparable. Excellent. And I can kind of look at the briefs and see what size. What's smaller? If somebody's shopping for similar price or money, what would they go after? Would they go for 2,000 feet or are they going to go for 2,300 feet? Let's just see. This one sold. It was active at 549, sold at 550. It was only on the market 8 days, and this just closed like 12, 13 days ago. That's pretty amazing. But it's a little bit smaller. It's about 300 feet smaller than our subject. So let's look at the pics. Vaulted ceilings. These look like older cabinets, but they, nice because they put a handle. They put some granite on there. It's older tile. It's laminate. They don't have a separate, bathroom there in the master. Equally, that's a nice property for sure. For sure. All these are deriving an opinion of what we would sell for. Phil, this makes me understand why they listed at 535, right? Could they get 550? Yeah. This one maybe a little higher at 570. Not to say they can't get it. It's only been 2 days on the market. Here's another one on Rustic, which is close by. It's a little bit superior to the subject. Was originally listed at 539, only sold at 465. But this was back in January. That is 6 months ago. We're in a different market 6 months ago. So I'm going to give less weight to this opinion of this condo. They could have an appraisal issue. That was right around Christmas time. It's just 6 months ago. This one is in the same complex as that one that sold a little bit bigger and listed at 480. And it's under contract for about 21 days yet, or 20-ish days. Hasn't sold yet. I don't know. This is probably going to be well over 480 in my opinion, is what it probably sold for. So there you go. I guess I didn't look at the pics and the condition. Interesting. Okay. So I still give weight to these other ones. Not to say I wouldn't give weight to that, but I really think you're going to be in that 535, 550. Could you push it up? Maybe. But I'd say ideally you're in that 535 to 550 price range. And that's how I'd comp this townhome. So hope you enjoy.